Hello guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome back here in the HIPAP compartment natin. So bali maglilinis po tayo ng HIPAP transducer natin at kung makikita po ninyo, yan po yung itsura ng isa sa mga HIPAP transducer natin and we're going to do some kind of cleaning and inspection dito.
So yan, maglilinis tayo ng HIPAP transducer. So yan po yung itsura ng HIPAP transducer namin ngayon. So definitely it will take some time to clean this one. Okay?
So bali natapos na po natin yung paglilinis at ito na po yung HIPAP transducer head natin at makikita po ninyo ay talagang tinanggal po natin yung mga dumi-dumi niya at ready na po yan. So sa bridge ay ito po yung mga position references namin like DGPS. Tatlo po yung DGPS natin. So two of that are DGPS and the other one is CPAT, and this one is the radar scan, then followed by side scan. So bali dalawa po yung side scan natin. And ito po yung sa may HIPAP transducer natin. So yun po yung equipment natin na kumukuha ng feed doon sa may HIPAP transducer natin, and at the same time we're gonna be using it as one of the PRS na gagamitin sa my DP positioning reference natin.